Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a peel-off base at home. Now I'm not saying that you shouldn't buy a peel-off base, but if you can't get hold of one that actually works for you or you run out of the product, this is what you will use, and this method works. So I'm going to ask Gert to help us today. Wanna say hi?
Hello.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, first you will always have to push back your cuticles. I'm not going to do that because he's going to take this off immediately. So you push back your cuticles, file the free edge, normal prep basically, but you do not use a primer or a nail dehydrator because you want this to act like a peel-off base. So what you're going to do is just like that. Remember, gel will not stick to a smooth or shiny surface, and this is what we want. So I'm going to use cuticle oil. You can use any cuticle oil that you have. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to apply it directly to his nail. Like so. Like so. Hold on a sec. I'm gently going to rub this in, but only gently. Now I don't mind if the cuticle oil goes everywhere because it's oil. It's fine. Then I'm going to use a top coat. Now you can use any top coat you want, but make sure it's something that you're going to use only for this because it will get ruined.
Because of the oil.
Yes, because of the oil.
It smells delicious.
Yeah. Oh, let me just do this real quick. It's very, very cold here. Just bear with me. Okay. I'm going to apply this directly on top of the oil. But don't touch the skin with the top coat. Okay, that's just oil, but still. Okay. Other finger, please. Let me do this again. Okay, quickly cure that one while I work with this. 60-second cure. Sorry. So you do need to fully cure. Now this is almost finished. This is why I'm struggling to get a little bit out. Now I've used this method with hard gel. I've used it with polygel, with acrylics, dip acrylics, solid nail glue and air dry glue. And it still worked perfectly fine. It will last anything from 2 days to, depending on the cuticle oil and the amount of top coat you apply, it will last between 1 day or an hour, maybe, depends. Like I said, but usually it's between 1 day and 3 days. Then it starts lifting and you can just pop it off, but I'll show you that part as well. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a base coat, and then I'm going to have him cure again. If you are going to use this on top of a builder in a bottle or a hard gel, and you want to keep the hard gel on your nail, then I suggest doing your prep like normal, like always. File and push back the cuticles, nail dehydrator, primer, everything like that. But once the gel, hard gel is, or the builder in a bottle or whatever you're using is cured, then you just get rid of the tacky layer like isopropyl alcohol or something like that, but do not scratch up the nail. And then you go in with the cuticle oil and then a top coat and you cure, and then you can start by adding your tips or extensions, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to use a base coat to adhere the gel to his nail because I don't want this to last, so it's only going to be for a short while. But if it's going to be keeping this on, let's say for 3 or 4 days, then I would use like a clear tip gel or a solid gel or a glue gel or something like that. But since it's not, I'm just going to adhere with a base gel. So let me just size this out real quick. I think that one's, yeah, that's the bigger one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. Hold on, let me just get the flash cure light real quick. So I'm going to apply normal base coat. Normally you would actually use primer or even buff the nail, but I'm not going to. Like I said, he's going to take this off after, so 45-degree angle, push down. Okay, why is it not working? Let me see. Okay, just to keep it in place. And then you can do a full cure. Full cure, 60 seconds. Alright, as you can see, it's on there.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. So now I'm just going to quickly do this. Like I said, he's going to be popping them off immediately after, so I don't see the point in doing all the prep for just such a short while, you know, for just a short wear. If it was for days, then yes.
Or you can leave it on for 4 days.
Yeah, then you can do the prep, by all means. But, I mean, you're going to take this off within an hour, maybe. So, why do all that prep? You're wasting a lot of product. It's not necessary. Okay, and then you can start by prepping your nail like always, like filing and doing everything you want to do. Clean up around the cuticle area and the side walls, whatever. But I'm not going to. Like I said, he's going to be removing this within an hour. So, I'm just going to apply a base coat on which nail do you want to do? That one.
That one is yours.
Okay. Oh, he wants to do his own nail. So okay, no, that's fine. We can do that. Why not? So I'm going to apply a base coat. Because this is so much fun, you know. Thank you for being my model today. Oh, happy Father's Day, by the way.
Thank you.
Everybody listening. So I hope you had a great day. Okay, cure 60 seconds. Now you can do that yourself. No. Go in, you're going to smash it. Okay, so keep in mind it has a tacky layer, so I'm going to apply a black, because I decided I'm going to give him a cat's eye. Of course, why not?
Luckily not a black eye.
Not on Father's Day, at least. Like I've ever done something like that. Not to you anyway.
I'd rather trip and kick me.
Sucks to be you though, right?
Do you ever stop giving?
Apparently not. If I smash this now, I'm gonna be pissed.
It's gonna be your fault.
No, it's not. That's the whole point. That's why I'm going to be pissed, because you're making me laugh. Okay, I'm only gonna apply one coat. I'm not going to apply two. Again, I'm not going to waste a lot of product. But let me just clean up there, because you're making me laugh. Why would you do that? Man, that's so not right. Okay, on that side. You do not want uncured gel on your skin. It can cause allergies. And there I smashed it. Okay, it's fine. Cure 60 seconds. Okay. You just find the cat's eye.
It looks so wrong.
Witchy. Looks witchy. Where the fuck did I go with cat's eye? Okay, there you go. I'm sorry about the swearing today.
Chicken. It looks like a chicken leg.
Okay, don't do that. Knowing you, you're about to offend someone, so please don't do that. Okay, just get into shot, I think. Okay, I'm just going to use a black cat's eye. The girls from Nail Smacking is looking at this. Don't tease me. Okay, it's not a teeny weeny, it's just a finger. That was funny. I didn't even realize until they pointed it out, and I was like, damn it, I hope no one would notice, but they did notice. So
I'm sorry too.
yeah, no, it's funny.
Oh wow.
Yes,
Look
it's very
at
reactive.
that.
Very, very reactive.
Yo.
Look at it. Very reactive. This is actually not bad. It's not a bad product. For the price, I mean, it's really not bad. Okay, so let's do a bow. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to take one of these magnets. I just took another one and removed that part and just attached it like so. I'm going to use that.
It's already reactive. As soon as, wow.
And there we go. Okay,
Awesome.
cure 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply a top coat and then I'm going to have him cure it again. And then we're going to be right back so he can start with his own nail. Okay, so this is his nail.
There we go. Will you have a look at that? So you can start with the car tomorrow morning.
Okay, what?
So we can start with the car tomorrow morning.
Start with the car.
Yes, man.
I don't understand.
Do the whole car like this nail looks.
Oh, are you crazy? How much gel do you think I have? Okay. Okay, what nail are you thinking
Okay,
about?
I would love to do a cooled lava.
Oh, okay.
A cooled lava nail.
Okay.
So if you've got an orange
Orange. Okay, apply.
or red.
Orange will, that's a neon orange, will that be
Okay,
fine?
yeah, neon orange will do.
Okay, just stay in short. Make sure you're in short, okay? I'm going to tell you.
Ooh,
Okay, let me just do this for you real quick.
it's like walking on sticks. I'm not used to this.
Please don't let it
bear-
take. Yeah, okay, but don't let it
bear
touch your
with me.
skin. If it does, we should wipe it away immediately, okay?
Okay, I'm not gonna have already painted my skin. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to just
My
give you
bad.
something to remove this with before you cure. Because
Remove
you
it,
can
remove
really
it,
get an
remove it,
allergy.
Remove it, please. Remove
I will. Just finish. Okay. No! Okay, let me do this for you, okay?
it.
Let
Look
me
at
see.
that picker. Look at that picker.
Oh, you're so rude. A lava nail. Okay, no, it's fine. Alright, cure for 60 seconds then. I'm sorry, I just realized I didn't show you the brand. This is the cat's eye that I used, the black one. And this is the orange one that he used. Now, I'm not even going to pronounce this. I'm not going to, because I swear to you, I will pronounce this. I will butcher it and it will sound like some curse word. So let me not do that.
Okay, so we can put a thin layer of the crack.
The crackle, yes.
The crackle.
Yes, let me just do this because it's, remember it's cold here.
Yeah.
You
it's
don't want to
winter
shake
time.
this because it will introduce bubbles. So just do this.
Yeah, and then you're gonna paint the bubbles on.
No,
the-
no, no. You just do a normal like you just did.
I know.
Repeat the
I'm just
process.
saying.
Yeah, it's going to do the crackle effect all on its own. So only a thin coat is needed.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it on my own.
We're hoping this will work.
Did I cover the hole now? Yes, I did.
Yes, you did.
Wow.
Not bad. But don't smash it. It's air dry.
No, I'm not going to smash it. I promise.
And this is the brand from the Crackle. So it crackles naturally. It's going to take about between 3 and 5 minutes, but it's cold, so maybe 7.
Oh, I've painted the bubbles on. I told you.
It's fine. It's just going to crackle. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's not bad for your first try, though.
I think I missed a spot there at the tip.
Yeah, but when it crackles, you're not going to see.
Yeah, that's
so it's fine.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we'll be right back after the crackling started happening. Okay, now you can apply. Let me just see if you're in shot a little bit like this. And now back, like there you go. Now you can apply a top coat. Let me just open this for you. Okay.
I think it looks awesome. The camera's not going to do it justice.
No, but we will lift your hand once you're done, because the top coat is going to make the design pop even more. So then you'll probably be able to see the full effect. And this is what you want. I mean, you want this to actually pop. So
yeah,
it's funny. Sometimes you do a design and it doesn't look that awesome, and then you apply the top coat, and suddenly it's like just like that, and it looks totally different. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. Okay, lift your hand a little bit up. Like this maybe.
This is so
I don't know if they'll be able to tell a little bit, but let's see if we... Maybe you can tell now. There you go. There you can see. Great.
Just
Hold it. Keep it like this.
line.
No, keep it like this. Just like that. Awesome. There you go. There you can see the whole design. Fabulous.
It's a pity I need to take it off, eh?
Yes. There you go.
It's beautiful.
You
Cooled
did
lava,
well done.
guys. Cooled lava.
Well done. Okay, so are we going to try and remove it now? Do you
Yeah,
want to
of
wait
course.
like an hour or something?
No, you can take it off. Let's
Okay,
try
do you
this
want
one
something?
first.
Do you want something like sharp just to lift the edge?
I'm gonna try with the with my other hand.
Okay, but don't hurt yourself. If it hurts, then tell me. Okay. You have to keep it in
Oh,
short.
it hurts.
Does it?
No.
Damn it. What's wrong with
There
you?
it popped off.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. And the design is still in place. You can keep the nail then. You can just file off this little bit, and you can still keep the nail intact.
Awesome.
Like I said, this works like a charm. I've been using this for about 2 years now, and it really does
And it's
work.
actually stuck strong if you want it, but if you need to take it off, you know it's gonna come off.
Yes.
But if you want to keep it on,
Okay,
it's gonna
just give me
last.
your nail real quick. As you can see, there's no damage to the natural nail at all.
Nothing.
Nothing. You can just take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and just wipe over it to clean off that little bit of cuticle oil left, and there you go, all done. Okay, you can remove that one when we're done. Keep that one on for a few minutes longer if you like. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And thank you, Gert, for being my model today.
Anytime.
And I'll see you in the next one. Be safe and
Keep well.
yeah, keep well. Bye.
Bye.